Good morning and welcome to Ma'am Talks. I'm Kathy.
I'm Anna, and in the spirit of embracing getting older, we're going to be talking about making friends at our time of life, which is sometimes very difficult. But before we do, we wanted to talk to you because we are very aware of all the difficulties that we're all going through at this moment. We're still under curfew, there's still the coronavirus, there's all kinds of very sad things going on.
It's chaos in the world.
It's chaos.
It is. It just is.
But we wanted to share with you that we're very well aware of it, and we're not ignoring those difficulties. It's just that our mission at Ma'am Talks is to give you a respite from all the difficulties of life that we're going through. And
A moment to laugh.
A moment
to laugh with
That's
us.
right. So bear with us. We're here for you. Send us your comments. We want you to consider us your friends. We love you all, and we're so happy and pleased that you've remained our viewers throughout
Very
all
faithful.
this time.
Very
Yes, yes.
faithful.
Thank you. So, Kathy, how do we make friends?
Okay, well, for me, that's not that difficult. I'm that person in
She
line.
talks to the dogs that walk by.
I'm the person in line that talks to people behind me. I can't help myself. So, one way is exercise classes or gym classes.
Which I won't do.
Well, then she's not going to make as many friends.
Nope.
So, yeah, you go to classes and you do meet people, you talk to people, and you go to classes that have maybe the age appropriateness for you. So you're meeting people in your age range.
Having said that, I won't go to an exercise class, but I have considered taking an art class.
Okay, a
So,
class,
yeah,
any kind of
yeah.
a class. Especially right now with the pandemic, reach out to friends you've lost touch with. What a great time. You have the time to call people and say, we haven't talked in a long time. How about a Skype or a FaceTime or
just a
something,
ph-
or just a phone call?
Conversation.
Yeah.
And I have done that. And
Yeah.
you know what? It has been so rewarding to reach out to people that I haven't thought of, but I know that they're alone,
Yeah.
and I want them to know that I'm still here
Yeah,
for them.
yeah.
So it's
It
been
means a
really
lot.
good. Yeah.
Local groups, social media groups. There are so many groups. You go to Facebook, there's groups for everything. There's also a thing called meetup.com. Do you know what that is?
No.
Meetup.com is a place where you go and let's say you're interested, and this is what I did. I found one when I started to try and do some hiking. It was called Girls Who Hike, and it's a huge organization.
I could just see her doing this.
And I went on, and then you start finding where local hikes are in your area. And I actually met somebody, a female, Noreen, who I'm still friends with today.
That she's friends with us. She's one of Ma'am Talk's biggest fans.
So it is ways to meet people, and it doesn't mean you're going to talk to them every day and hang out every day. It's just a new person to maybe have some experiences with. Community gardens are a big thing.
Yes.
Now I know, they're probably okay now because they're spaced out pretty well, right?
Yes,
I
but
think-
community gardens are more like you go and you take care of your own little plot.
Right, but I'm saying you've got
Yeah,
other
you can
people
still
there.
talk to
Right,
people,
right.
yeah.
Local city meetings. I know I'm probably not having too many right now, but you used to go to a
I
lot
used
of
to
those
go to
city
all
meetings.
my city
How many
council
friends did you
meetings.
meet, Anna?
No, that's not true. Oh my God, that's not true. No, I made a few friends.
Okay. Say hi to a stranger. Long lines right now work really well. So I was leaving the store the other day. I was leaving
course you
Ralph's, and I was in the line. We have to stand 6 feet apart. And I was looking in the cupboard, and they had those Italian ices, lemon Italian ices. I'm like, oh, those are great. So I got to get one, right? So I grabbed one. And the man in front of me turns around and he goes, if you pour vodka over those, it's really, really good. I'm like, that's a great idea. So that was kind of our conversation. I get out, I'm putting stuff in my car. He comes by in his car and starts to talk to me again about the lemon
course he
ice.
does.
I think it's great. I think it's fun. Here's another one. I'm really bad about this. RSVP, yes. I love to be invited to things, but I'm really bad about
Actually going.
Why did I say I was going to go? And then I go and I have a great time.
Yeah.
But RSVP, yes, take a chance. Go. If you don't like something, you can leave, but get yourself out there a little bit more. Volunteer. That's another great way. You can volunteer for, you name it. There's volunteers needed for everything, every topic. Me, I'd probably volunteer at like something to do with kids or dogs. That would be kind of my two
I
go-to.
told myself I was going to volunteer when I was retired. But the truth is that my biggest volunteer is babysitting my grandchildren.
Let's volunteer.
And therefore, I'm very busy with that volunteer experience. So
Another one is going back to school. Take some classes. Local community college, just a fun class. You will definitely meet people probably more in your age range there. And again, travel. You travel with people they
I
already
travel
know.
all the time.
But
yeah.
there's a lot of people who I know that travel alone, and they love it because they meet people. They're single people traveling. So there's a lot of ways. You just have to put yourself out there and risk it. And if
By the way, when like I love cruises. When I am on a cruise, we make lots of friends. We talk to a lot of people.
oh, it's so fun
Now,
to talk to
is
people.
it the kind of friendship that I keep for the rest of my life? No, but it's so nice to be with them and joke, and it's a lot of fun.
On the other hand,
She keeps them.
I
for
keep
life.
them for life. But I want to say this too. I know that there still is restrictions about going out and that kind of stuff. But there's a lot of things you can still do online. So
Yes.
explore, get creative.
I actually joined a group on Facebook.
What group did you join?
It's a crochet group.
Okay, so there you go.
And you know what? It's so funny because I'm not very active, but I love getting all the messages and the patterns and the ideas. So it's been very fun.
That's great. That's great. All right. Well, let's hear what new friends you've met.
And how you've met them.
Yeah.
And do you keep them? And what keeps you glued to that person? So thank you so much for sharing. And I'm sorry. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to click the share and like buttons.
And check out our YouTube channel, Mam Talks, and subscribe, share, like, repost, do it all. And our website, www.mamtalks.com. There's a brand new article on there. Thank you, Anna. And remember to embrace getting older with us. Bye.
Bye.